Well guys, the car is finally assembled. Everything is in place except the grille that is on the bottom, that is protecting the intercooler, and this is on purpose. I intend to try to polish a bit the stuff that I painted. I'm gonna try to make them match a little bit better to the older stuff, and some of the older parts, the hood, the door, the mirror and the other things, I'm gonna try to make them a little bit more brighter so they can fit with the new parts as well. So now I can finally take the car out of the platform and into the better light which is outside. Over here everything fits. This is just the light is shining over the clear coat. From afar it looks like they don't fit, but they fit perfectly. Everything is attached, the cover beneath the bumper and all the other pieces are mounted. The bumper is mounted. Everything is finally done as I mentioned, except the grille, which is this one. I have it, but I won't install it. She is gonna be over there. I'm gonna show you this in a bit. First I wanna wash the car because she's been sitting over here for a while, and again to kind of match up everything. I'm gonna show you the final result once I do these final touches. I hope that the daylight is gonna be enough. Once again, I'm running a bit late. So I just installed the last item in my list, the final piece, which was the grille in the middle of the bumper, and unfortunately the one piece that is going across, it won't be mounted, at least for now, because it was very expensive and the owner decided to wait for it a bit, so that can be added at any given moment. It's not a big deal. The car looks fine as it is. Lots of guys remove this just to kind of fresh up the bumper anyway, so I think it is gonna be okay if it is as it is now. I haven't installed the plate number holder, so this is gonna be a little bit later. It's not a big deal. I don't want to rush with it because I want to kind of look at the car a little bit more as it is with this clean and nice look. So I want to show you the final result. It is a bit windy and there is some rain, so the car is wet, although I just washed the front of the car because there was still some polishing based on it, but either way it is rainy, so I'm sorry about the water on the car, but there is not much I can do about it. Basically, this is how the car looks like. I hope that this project was interesting or at least a bit helpful to you. So if you enjoyed this type of content, you may consider subscribing, sharing, commenting, liking. I hope to see you in my next videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.